Designing a home before it's even built can be overwhelming. So many choices, so much pressure. For this soon-to-be-built 84-square-meter home, one of our subscribers asked for help. The goal? A modern Scandinavian space that feels calm, cohesive, and truly livable. This is our 69th project in the 100 Interiors Challenge, redesigning the living, dining, and kitchen area. Here's how to make it happen. This space doesn't exist yet, but based on the layout, the living area has a standard size. So, it can be designed to enhance spaciousness and natural light flow. Before anything else, define first the color palette. This space follows a soft, earthy scheme with some bold accents to create a warm and calming feel. Let's start from the top. The space features a high ceiling with a soft cove detail and rounded corners to create a smooth, balanced look. Around it, recessed pin lights provide even lighting to keep the area bright and open. For the wall, it is painted off-white, but the real highlight? It's the rich, vertical, slatted wood paneling, which adds texture and brings true to Scandinavian design. Next, for the floor, a large format porcelain tiles were used only here, but also for the rest of the area. To create separation in adjacent zone, a wooden slatted partitions provide a partial visual barrier to the space. So now, what about the furniture? For this space, you can incorporate 2 sofas to create a balanced and inviting layout. One being a low-profile piece priced at $400 that adds a relaxed, grounded feel, and the other a $450 wood-framed Nordic-style sofa that brings in structure and warmth through its natural material. Both sofas are styled with earth-toned throw pillows in soft, textured fabrics. And the arrangement forms a cozy and intimate conversation area that's perfect for gatherings or quiet moments of relaxation. In between them is a round oak and white nesting coffee table that softens the sharp architectural lines, while a round jute rug underneath defines the seating zone and adds a cozy, earthy layer. It also helps soften the space and anchor the furniture arrangement. Next, on each side of the sofa, a modern round side table adds both function and style, while a black pedestal table brings sleek sculptural touch. Also, there's a light round ottoman that offers flexibility to the space, perfect for casual seating, a footrest, or even as a soft accent piece. The space opens directly to the entryway, but a custom partition cabinet helps visually separate the area while offering storage and display. Though Scandinavian style is known for simplicity, it doesn't mean empty or plain. So, decor is kept minimal and add indoor plants, so the space still feels open and breathable. These touches bring warmth and a natural element without overwhelming the design. Of course, the space is elevated by thoughtful layered lighting. Here, a dome-shaped table lamp adds accent lighting, while a rattan-style floor lamp introduces a modern organic touch. Together, they create a cozy ambiance and highlight key areas without overwhelming the space. Finally, the main lighting is a modern LED ring pendant that serves as both a stylish feature and an eye-catching centerpiece. So, each piece plays a role. It's not just about making the space beautiful, but about ensuring every design decision works together with purpose. If you love this style, check the video description for links to similar furniture pieces. This dining area is centrally located within the open plan layout, maintaining a smooth flow for daily use and gatherings. Starting with the ceiling, it has a flat design with evenly spaced recessed pin lights for a clean and modern look. This ensures well-distributed lighting while keeping the minimal design. To enhance the space, a floating wood ceiling panel with indirect lighting can be added. This not only adds visual warmth, but also subtly frames the dining area. Next, on the walls both sides, you can clad them with vertical wood slats, a key element in Scandinavian design. Now for the main elements. You can choose a wooden dining table with soft edges paired with 6 light wood chairs that have upholstered seats. The design is simple, keeping the area looking light. Underneath, a tightly woven warm taupe rug helps soften the tiled floor and makes the space feel more cozy. Against the accent wall on the left, a white fluted sideboard with wooden legs balances the look and provides a practical storage solution. Now, add some essential items to balance the wood elements to create a more harmonious feel. Also, you hang a nature-inspired artwork and bring in 2 potted plants to make the space feel styled while maintaining a calm atmosphere. For lighting, a vertical linear wall sconces can be mounted beside the paneling and a picture light installed above the artwork to enhance visual focus. One of the most important features is the modern dome pendant light, as it offers soft, diffused light in the dining. For the sliding door, you can use the same curtain layering as in the living area to maintain consistency. This space perfectly reflects a modern Scandinavian style. And the best part? It's designed to feel warm and comfortable. We would like to take a moment to sincerely thank our YouTube members. Your support keeps us going. As for the layout, the kitchen has a great space for functionality. It features a straight-line counter layout with a center island, creating clear zones for food preparation and cooking. First, let's talk about the main counter. You can install a matte black stone finish countertop, offering a bold look and hides stains well. Below that, a matte white laminated base cabinets help reflect light and brighten the space. Now, the cooktop and undermounted sink are seamlessly integrated into the counter for a clean, efficient setup. To add elegance to the space, you can use a marble look backsplash with beige veining. It's easier to clean and gives a more high-end look. Above, you can maximize storage using flat white upper cabinets, matching the base units, giving the kitchen a modern finish. It also has an integrate range hood above the cooktop, blending smoothly into the design. On the side, there's space dedicated for the refrigerator, keeping it aligned with the overall layout. Now let's move to the island counter. It follows the same black countertop finish with marble base, blending two contrasting textures. Also, the base is detailed with vertical wood slats that echo other wooden elements in the space, reinforcing the Scandinavian theme. For the bar stools, it's lightweight with pale wood legs, curved backrests, and cream-colored seats, offering both comfort and visual balance. Beside it, on the partition wall accent, if you have a water dispenser, you can place it here, using the available space efficiently. To complete the look, small kitchen items, decorative pieces, and a bit of greenery are added to give the kitchen a natural, lived-in feel. Now, lighting plays a big role in enhancing this kitchen. A soft LED strip lights under the upper cabinets provide task lighting and highlight the backsplash. Then, a geometric LED pendant light becomes a standout feature, serving both function and form. This kitchen shows that modern Scandinavian design isn't about filling space, but about making every detail matter. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.